welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you guys saw the title, so you already know what's up. I'm coming with an unboxing today, which I hope will be a game changer in my business. As I mentioned in my last little quick update video, I did start a new business, which is Harper Handcrafted. I will leave the link in the description below just in case you guys want to check it out and support. But I do offer scented candles, wax melts, room sprays, and wickless candles. So yes, I needed this item to help me take product pictures for my website. I did try to create like a whole setup using like the white poster boards, which I'll insert a clip here, which, you know, it got the job done temporarily, but I know I can do better. I know I can come harder. Okay, so I did purchase this item from Amazon because I like my stuff to look professional and seamless. So yes, that's why I purchased this, and it was very inexpensive. Again, it's a photography light box. It comes with 6 color backdrops. It says it's dimmable, no strobe, high color rendering index, it's foldable and portable. So I'm happy to get this. And it comes with its own like ring light inside of here some type of way, but we're gonna see together. We're gonna learn this together, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get that unboxed today because I need to take my pictures. Okay, so I got this open here and move the box out the way. And it comes with this like little dust bag, dust cloth. It's the brand Dukeless photography light box. Again, I'll link it down below. First off, I will say that I was very nervous about this product because I did not want construction paper. Like, don't send me no colored construction paper, like, at all. I could have went to Dollar Tree for that and got that for $1. So I was a little bit nervous when it came with the color backdrops, but I can already tell this is giving quality, right? So we have our colors here. We have the black, we have white, blue, red, green, orange. Okay, we have a variety to choose from. It's giving quality, as I mentioned. This also came with the diffuser cloth, which is so great, especially when you're using a ring light and artificial lighting, so that you don't have that glare on your products. So hopefully this helps. It also comes with the instruction manual, which I do need to read because I don't know what I'm doing. But this lets me know that I can dim everything. It comes like it needs to come. It lets you know about the backdrops, the features, how to set everything up. So yeah, we shall see. So, okay. Let's see here. Let's read something before I end up messing something up. Alright, so
in the box, bam, erect the stand to support the light box. Okay, so expand it. Alright, so this back part, I'm assuming, is what makes it stand up straight, which it is. Period.
Y'all see me getting it together. Alright, so we got that set up. Alright, so put the stand. I do see the little cord inside of here for the ring light portion of it. Alright, so I'm going to put one of the background cloths in just so that we can see. I'm going to start with white because it's probably what I'm going to be using the most. This is like a plastic type of material. I don't know what type of material it is. I do know that it's not construction paper, so I will be going to leave a review on there to let them know they came correct. Alright, and then we have the cord back here for the light portion of it. So I'm going to go ahead and get that plugged up so we can see what that's about. So the control is the same as it would be for any other type of ring light setup type situation. I will insert a picture here so that you can see. And you just cut it on the same way. Oh, bright. Yeah. First of all, I wasn't expecting that. Like, that's bright. Okay, like, and of course it's dimmable. You see this going down. I'm gonna cut it back up so that you can see. But yeah, that's very, very bright. I have one of my candles here from my company, Harper Handcrafted. This is our calming candle. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and get some pictures of this one. with just one of our 2 wick candles. I can already see that this is messing with my lighting because my camera, there's like an auto thing, so I apologize if the contrast is changing as the video goes on. So sorry. But yes, so I have one of our candles in here. I'm going to go ahead and take a quick picture of that just to see how it comes out, and of course I will insert that here for you guys to see as well. From these pictures, it looks like a stock white background, which is very professional, especially for a website, which are my intended purposes. Again, this is great for business owners, entrepreneurs, if you're artsy and crafty, if you have different items that you make or sell, this is perfect to take your pictures with. Yes, if you're trying to get by, you can do the whole Dollar Tree setup, which I did before. Again, I think I inserted the video that you guys saw already, but yes, this is very professional. I'm liking it so far. Pictures here, but of course I'm going to insert that on the screen for you guys to see. Okay, so far I'm liking this. I am very happy that I got this. Let me look real quick and see what the official price was so that you guys will know. This is a 12-inch photo light box, and it was $37.44, and I do think it was worth the price so far. I already am liking the pictures. I'm gonna be excited how uniform they're gonna be, how the lighting is going to be the same in all the pictures. I want everything to be cohesive. So for $37, I am pleased with this. Like I said, it's very compact. It can fold down easily, get out the way. It comes with this cute little bag here to store everything in. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video and make sure that you're subscribed. Also be sure to hit that bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. I will be coming back with an official review on how I liked everything as I use it more. You know, as I get a little more acquainted with this product, but I'm definitely pleased first off impressions. So yes, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.